We're in the sandblasting stage now, which is so cool. They're transforming before my eyes. It's so smooth. It's so good.
Welcome to Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists of London. Very happy to have you here. So today, Brandon is here with his Infinity to refinish his wheels in a hyper silver finish. It's a finish that is very specific to older model Benzes, 10, 20-year-old Benzes, the same with Infinities and Lexuses. It's quite an expensive process, so a lot of the manufacturers have kind of reined in their use of the finish. So we still do it. We do a great job of it. It's a skill that's taken time to kind of dial in. And we've got a great team of guys that are able to, apply this finish. This is an example of a dark hyper silver finished wheel. This is something that we've done in-house. It's very close to black. It's got an undertone of silver at this point, but it's mostly a black wheel. Up here is the same thing. There's a common denominator between the two, which is a dark base coat, but this is a bright variant of a hyper silver application. That's what we've got, and we can do really anything in between. And for Brandon's wheels, we're gonna be doing just that. It's kind of gonna be in between this and that. But again, we apply lots of different finishes here. We do CNC lathe machine work, any kind of candy finish. We also apply, tinted clear coats like you can see on that M4 wheel there. And we restore some wheels like this. These are classic Trans Am wheels out of the 70s, and we breathe a new life back into them.
A few moments later.
There's a lot of corrosion on there. A lot of corrosion. Wow.
Won't be gone.
So will that get sandblasted out?
Oh yeah, it'll feed it right to like brand new metal, like it's great.
Gotcha. This is brand new metal right now, right? Like that's bare metal?
Yep. So it'll look like that, but it'll even more white.
This is the exciting part. They're going into sandblasting. They're transforming before my eyes. It's so great. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Wow. It's so smooth. It's so good. What? Look at this. Before and after sandblasting.
This is what I don't plan out the video.
Oh, okay.
This is my special
Alright. The magic room. Cannot see. Secret sauce is happening. Secret sauce is over. Well, wheel porn is real. That's what it looks like. It's a shame to put tires on them. They're just too nice. Here it comes. Ah, there it is. The wheels turned out amazing. I'm so thankful to be able to get to do this kind of stuff, and it's been awesome. So thank you to Brian and the whole team here at Alloy Wheels. If you are in the London, let's just say Southern Ontario, they even do ship wheels. So if you have a problem and you want somebody who you can trust to do a decent job, give these guys a look up. Thank you so much for letting me spend today with you guys, seeing how you do everything, learning and documenting the process. Not everyone is as cool as that. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Go watch 2 more. See you guys in the next one.
Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.